actually going to Jamaica.
yeah, we're going to Jamaica. My dad is from there, so I have a Jamaican citizenship, so it'll be nice. All my dad's family lives over there, so I'll make sure we get a bunch of tickets so they can all come watch.
Greetings, sports fans. Welcome back to Edivision TV, the channel where we look at sports differently. So in this one, it's a 2-for-1. First up, Inter Miami's defender, Frey. Should he be called up once more? And yes, once more, because he was actually named in Al Grimson's 50-man Gold Cup squad, professional squad, back in 2023. And he's a decent player. Plays for Inter Miami, as I said before. A young prospect, only 22 years old. Already has his Jamaican passport. Actually, he's from a family, a footballing family. His mother played football for Jamaica at the senior level. And, you know, he'll be looking forward to his visit to Kingston to face off against Cavalier. You know, and big up to Inter Miami beating Kansas City and allowing them to play the mighty Caribbean Cup champions Cavalier. Right? So we look forward to that home game March 30. But yeah, people, Frey can play right back. He's actually playing some outer games at right back right now, but he's a centre back. Can also play defensive midfield. But at right back, people, I think this is where he can or may get a spot in this team. We're actually a little bit weak at right back, and a player like Frey, you know, could come in with the experience, MLS experience, playing in a good team in Inter Miami, a team that has a lot of veterans, have a lot of players that, you know, he can learn from, and they seem to really rate this talented youngster, you know, Messi, Suarez and the whole crew. They rate him, and, you know, we see in photos they're showing him love and all of that. So big up to young Frey. I hope you can get back a call up. I hope you can make your debut for Jamaica in the near future. But moving on to Djed Spence, Tottenham Hotspur defender, another player, another right back actually. Even though he's playing a lot of games now at left back, but he's actually playing out of position for Tottenham Hotspur. He's originally a right back, doing well for them. Got his goal over the weekend in the big victory over Ipswich Town. So big up to Djed Spence finally getting his Premier League goal. It has been coming, has been playing well, getting assists, earning man of the match performances. And, you know, in an interview after that game, you know, I was doing his interview, but I noticed that there was a Jamaican pin right over his tracksuit. You know, what that mean? You know, both of his parents are Jamaican, we know that. You know, but it goes to show how these players love Jamaica, how they admire Jamaica. Always repping Jamaica no matter what. Because he didn't have to wear that pin over his tracksuit. You know what I mean? He didn't need to put a pin there in the first place. But, you know, he's proud and he's wearing the Jamaican colors and repping Jamaica every chance that he gets. And that's good for Jamaica. It's good that the player loves the country, even though he's not living in Jamaica currently. We only hope that somehow he can be scouted, somehow he can be approached, somehow he can be contacted by the necessary persons. A player like this, you know, sometimes you just need to test the water. You may never know. You may never know that that pin could mean something more. Could mean come and get me. It could mean that Jamaica is where my heart is. I don't want to play for England. You never know. So it's important to test the waters, people. Test the waters and see where we can reach. You know what I mean? A simple thing like a pin can mean a lot. Yes, I know we've seen other players in the past, i.e. Morgan Gibbs White. He actually went a little bit further than a pin. He had the Jamaican map tattooed on his arm, right? So it goes to show the lengths these players will go to show their love for the country. You know, but does this mean something? Let me know in the comment section below. Should we now make an approach for Djed Spence to fix our right back issues, or should we go for Frey? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm Eddie Gona. Thanks for watching, folks. Always remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'm out.
You're going to Jamaica.
yeah, we're going to Jamaica. My dad is from there, so I have a Jamaican citizenship, so it'll be nice. All my dad's family lives over there, so I'll make sure we get a bunch of tickets so they can all come watch.
Hi everyone, my name is Tavia Gooden and I am one of the members of Tagat. Tagat is a Jamaican company that was established in 2022 with the vision of bringing Jamaican proverbs to life with imagery. We also do customized shirts, hats, and other items. You can find us on Instagram at tagdat22. You can send us a WhatsApp at 876-513-8229, or you can send us an email at tagdat22@gmail.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Eddie Vision TV.
This is Owen Hill from PFJL, CEO of Professional Football Jamaica Limited, home of the Jamaica Premier League, the Gold Cup, and the El Clasicos. You're watching Eddie Vision. Please ensure to like, share, and subscribe. The baddest thing around town.